At very first thing you have to do is open setting, scroll down and click Me account. Here created account if you don't have already. Once you have a created account and log in with the same, you will see this screen here. You have to enable both sync and find device option. From the find device page, click turn on find device. Click OK and now enter the password of your Me account. Click OK to move further. Now click continue. Click Xiaomi Cloud option. Scroll down to the end and enable quick sync through. This is optional, you will recommend you to enable it. Again go to the settings. This time click about phone. Here you have to tap MIUI version 7 times repeatedly until the developer option is unlocked. Once unlocked, go back and then click additional settings. Next click developer option. Enable OEM unlocking. Verify lock screen if you have it. And then click enable. Just below that you have to click Me unlock status. Click agree. Click add account and device. Here it will remind you not remove your account and all. Click got it. Now we are done everything from the device end.
Download Xiaomi MI Unlock tool from the link given in description.
Now let's go to the computer. Once download is completed, go to download location. Here you will have your downloaded file. Extract the zip file to your desired location. Once extracted, open the extracted folder. Here you will find Mi Flash Unlock tool. Right click on it and run it as administrator. Click agree. Here log in with same Me account to have on your phone. Now switch off the phone completely. After that you have to put into fast boot mode. You can do this by pressing power and volume key simultaneously. Once you have your phone into fast boot mode, connected with the computer using the USB cable. Click unlock button. Click unlock anyway. Again click unlock anyway. Wait for the process get completed. And we have successfully unlocked the phone's bootloader. Your phone reboot automatically. If not, you can click reboot phone button. Now on your phone it will ask you to the enter Me account and password. Enter it, click activate. To verify that phone bootloader unlock or not, open setting and click about phone. Tap MIUI version 7 times is unlock develop option. Once unlock, go back to additional settings. Next click developer option. From there Me unlock status, and you have successfully unlocked your Xiaomi phone's bootloader. If you are having a issue following the mentioned steps, you can ask us for the solution in the comment section. So hope you like this video. If yes, then please do like and share this video. This is Tech Explorer signing off. I will see you guys in the next one. Till now, keep exploring.